Flying is something I've had a passion for since I was a little kid. I mean, I grew up in Hurst, Texas, where Bell Helicopter was actually designed and built, the Hueys. One thing that is interesting when we are flying and shooting and filming at the same time, you're kind of overcome by the imagery of what you're shooting. As a pilot, I get very technical and inspired by making sure that we capture the image inside the frame of what we're shooting. So I have a very kind of director's and cinematic feel of what we need to capture and convey that to the cinematographer as well. So as I'm technically flying the aircraft and watching what we're doing, I'm also in awe of what we're actually filming and what we're experiencing. So it's really a mixture of many emotions.